In this instructional video, I will demonstrate the solution to the issue of Snapchat notification sounds not functioning. To begin, ensure that you have the most recent version of Snapchat installed on your device. To do this, access the Play Store, tap the search bar, type Snapchat, and look for the Update button. If an update is available, tap on it. This action will rectify any bugs associated with notifications and Snapchat. Let's proceed to the next method. First, open your Snapchat app. Tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner. Go to Settings and scroll down. Tap on Notifications and enable notifications if available. Ensure all notification options are enabled, especially the sound option. If the issue persists, try the following. Long press the Snapchat app icon. Tap on App Info. Tap on Notifications and ensure it is turned on. Clear the app cache by going to Storage and Cache and tapping Clear Cache. These steps should resolve the issue.